Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the below topics are. The first topic is how to convert the kilometer per hour to meter per second. The second topic is how to convert the meter per second to kilometer per hour. The upcoming slides will discuss this topic. Next, we will learn and understand how to convert the kilometer per hour to meter per second. According to the International System of Units, SI, the unit of distance is a meter, m, and the unit of time is a second, s. Next, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Next, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Next, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Thus, we can calculate the time. 1 hour consists of 60 minutes, and each minute consists of 60 seconds. To calculate the time, we find that 1 hour equals 60 minutes, then multiplied by 60 seconds per minute. Therefore, 1 hour equals 3600 seconds. Next, how to convert 1 kilometer per hour to a meter per second. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Therefore, 1 kilometer per hour is calculated by dividing 1000 meters by 3600 seconds. Next, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 meters as divided by 18 seconds. Next, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 divided by 3.6, or 0.277777778 meters per second. Next, we will learn and understand how to convert 15 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Next, as per the previous slide explanations, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 divided by 3.6, or 0.277777778 meters per second. Next, we will understand a sample example, converting 15 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Next, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 divided by 3.6. Therefore, 15 kilometers per hour is equals to 1 divided by 3.6, is multiplied by 15. Therefore, 15 kilometers per hour is equals 4.16667 meters per second. Next, another way to calculate. Next, 1 kilometer per hour equals 0.277777778 meters per second. Next, 15 kilometers per hour is equals to 15 multiplied by 0.277777778. Next, 15 kilometers per hour is equals 4.16667 meters per second. Next, we will learn and understand how to convert meters per second to kilometer per hour. According to the International System of Units, SI, the unit of distance is a meter, m, and the unit of time is a second, s. Here, 1 meter is equals to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. 1 second is equals to 1 divided by 3600 hours. Next, we learn how to convert 1 meter per second to kilometer per hour. 1 meter is equals to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. 1 second is equals to 1 divided by 3600 hours. Apply the data. 1 meter per second is 1 divided by 1000 kilometer is divided by 1 divided by 3600 hour. Next, further calculations. 1 meter per second is 3600 divided by 1000 kilometer per hour. 1 meter per second is equals to 3.6 kilometers per hour. Next, we will learn and understand how to convert 4.16667 meters per second to kilometers per hour. Next, as the previous slide explanations explained, 1 meter per second is equal to 3.6 kilometers per hour. Next, we will understand a sample example, converting 4.16667 meters per second to a kilometer per hour. 1 meter per second is equal to 3.6 kilometers per hour. Then, 4.16667 meters per second is equals 4.16667 multiplied by 3.6 kilometers per hour. 4.16667 meters per second is equals 15 kilometers per hour. Next, please refer to the below simple ways to calculate 1 km per hour, dividing the value by 3.6 to get the value in meter per second. Next, please refer to the below simple ways to calculate 1 meter per second, multiplying the value by 3.6 to get the values in kilometer per second. We hope everyone understands how to convert the kilometer per hour to meter per second. Next, how to convert the meter per second to kilometer per hour. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.